Hey guys, Machines and Metal here. Just wanted to show you real quick how I make a little bit of extra cash on the side. It's through an app called VarageSale. That's garage sale but with the letter V. And what we do is we pick up items like this at garage sales or at auctions or storage lockers or the thrift store or anywhere you find stuff, and then we advertise them for sale on the app online. And what we do is we put the items in this bin as people show interest in the items, and then tell the people where the bin is, and they come take the item and leave money in the cash box inside. My favorite thing to do is let this cash box fill up, so I won't empty it for 2, 3, sometimes 4 weeks at a time, and I like to see the money cascade out of it when we open it. So right now this thing's got approximately 3 weeks worth of sales inside of it. We're just gonna drop these items. We've got some hockey cards. There's an old Apple laptop we picked up at the recycler. There's some training wheels for a bicycle. There's a beautiful plaster log with some birds on it and a little bone or elephant of some sort. But anyway, we're just going to pop this bin open and show you how it works. So you pull the bin out, and there's a couple items still in here that are waiting to be picked up. There's these 2 baseball gloves and some placemats that someone showed interest in a couple days ago, so they're waiting for the people. And that's our cash box. So we have a steel box with a lock on it, and it's actually bolted to the side of the bin, and there's a slot cut in it. You can see right there, there's money inside. And now we're gonna do my favorite part, guys. We're gonna open up this bin cash box, and you'll see how this works. So that's my favorite part, cascade of dollars. So I don't know how much there is in there. The fun part's adding it up and having some spending money for the weekend. So we're gonna throw that into our bucket here, our cash bucket as we call it. We lost a green one. Look at all that kablinky. Nice work. There's some change at the bottom. It's always a nightmare to pick the change up. Then we lock our cash box back up, and then we take these items that we brought with us and we put them in the bin for the next group of people to come pick them up. This is tied through Facebook, so it's a very honest way for people to buy from you. We've been doing this for a couple of years now and haven't had one incident, I don't believe, where anyone's not left money for the items they've taken. I recommend you set up yourself a VarageSale bin too. Thanks for watching.